Namaste everyone. This is Abha and welcome to the first episode of Feel the Bliss podcast. I am so excited to be here sharing with you beautiful people out there, in this brand new format. I've been itching for so long time now to share with you guys, at a very deeper level. I just love to speak and share and, be in a dialogue with people. I love to listen uh, the struggles, the stories, the victories, the experiences people go through, and I just love to share mine because I think that when we guys talk, we are just not connecting at the physical level, but we are also connecting at the spiritual level. We we really feel the bliss when we are around those people who genuinely want to be with us, who genuinely likes us, love us. They are happy for us when we achieve something, and they are there for us when we are in those turbulent times, and in those tough days, in those fighting those tough battles. And I have been really, really thinking of this podcast for like now 2 years. And every day, every single day, I used to get up and I used to think, should I do this? Should I not do this? I mean, who is going to listen to my podcast? How will people react? What will they say? I mean, am I good? Can I do something for the society? And every day I used to get just caught up with the work, and I would just not work for this. But this year, I mean, oh my god, I've been feeling to do this for from past 5 months, and I thought that okay, let's create a page on Instagram, and then let's let's just motivate people. Let's just tell people that there is someone out there who is going to motivate you, who's going to be with you without any judgment, without any criticism. And yeah, but I was not very satisfied. I just thought that on Instagram you just see the final project, but you really don't see the whole journey. You really don't connect to the deepest level. And that was the only reason I wanted to create this podcast, because I wanted to really create a sacred space where we can share our fears, we can share our experiences, our insecurities, our vulnerabilities, our truths, our in, our ambitions, our goals, our experiences, everything. And our spiritual wisdom. I mean, sometimes we really shy away from talking about our spiritual journey, and this is so important because in life we are spiritual beings, and we really, really need to talk about it. So I just created this, and I'm really looking forward to this beautiful journey, connecting with wonderful people, listening to wonderful experiencing, and sharing whatever I've whatever I've gained from my little journey, and little experiences which I have had, people around me have had, and experiences that have changed my life. This podcast is all about going, to that deeper level. And when we talk about our true sides, both positives and negatives, both dark sides and both the good side, we attain bliss, because now we are not in the hiding anymore. We are not under that mask. We are not under that pressure to just be that perfect person who really has to gain all the compliments and all the praises, and who just cannot say that okay, today I just feel a little bit sad, or I just feel a little bit down, and I today I feel that I won't achieve what I wanted to achieve. And when we don't stay under that mask, and when we really be ourselves, that is the real freedom. And when we attain that freedom, we attain the bliss. we actually feel the bliss. So I really hope that you guys would come back to my channel and listen to this podcast. And this is not just about me, this is about us, this is about the whole society. I really want that every single person, every single ear, every single soul, I reach to that person, that soul, and really change them, help them, motivate them, encourage them, and make them happy and blissful. That's only my motive. So this was an introduction to what my podcast will be in coming weeks, and I really hope that you will join with me in this journey, this beautiful journey which I'm about to start. Thank you. I hope you have a great day, great week. I hope you have a blissful week, and namaste.